Alright, how you guys doing today? So I have here, I have here the big Milwaukee 1-inch impact gun right here. About to do some brakes on the dump truck, and I'm gonna just show you some good glimpse of how this thing gets down. So the battery that I'm using with it is the Forge XC 6.0. So as you can see, this is the biggest battery I have currently. There is a 12.0 battery, but I used this and I took off an axle and put it back on, and it worked out just fine. So I'm just super duper excited as I grow and as the business has been growing. This has been a new addition that I got last month, and I've been always needing it, been having troubles trying to get tires off, having to get other people to help me take it off and to just do the job. But now I got my own, so I will just go over this briefly, show you some different torque settings of it, and also too, it has the 1 key on there, so I'll show you what that looks like. So I was using the gun and I went ahead and I did on the 1 key, so it's connecting back again. I don't know, I'll try to show this on a screen record here. So it lets me get inside and look at the tool. It has options where you can torque, set the torque, you can lock the tool, you can even track the tool too. And it even lets you know, like, literally the last time it was detected. Like, basically if you own some AirPods, then you will know how that works. It does. And on here you can download the app, and then you can add all the other tools and stuff you have. I don't have all of them added, but you definitely can for the ones that do have the wireless. So some of the ones that I have don't have the wireless. 1 key is what it's called. So that app, it's a red icon app, Milwaukee 1 key. So we got the truck lifted up, and here I'm about to go ahead and demonstrate, and we're going to show you how this gun goes. It's flawless, it's light, it's just awesome.
The way this don't feel good. Yeah. They should have did it like this instead of like this.
I'll be sure to email them that and let them know. They'll change it in the next model. So he's using number 1. So let's change it up to number 4 and see how that changes, how that sounds. Oh, there goes that real power sound right there. A little smaller 1/4-inch gun. Had to let that be in this video. Got that not too long ago. Nice addition to the piece. So what we're just doing here is just some disc brakes. These are easy peasy. So yeah, we got the new ones already set up. There goes that beautiful gun. Yeah, that's it. So, after removing 2 sides, the battery level is on still full battery, and that's removing 2 sides. We're about to put the other side back on, and then when we put this other side, that'll be 1 axle. Then that's with a 6.0 battery. For those heavy duty workers out here that are similar to this is what this battery would take you. So if you're going to invest in this gun, you can at least know what kind of battery to get, because the battery stuff is so kind of confusing sometimes. That's cool too. already set for that is awesome. Alright, it's been an hour and a half and we're putting back on the third axle, so, or the third tire on the second axle. The battery life that we're on, so we're at 3, and we've completed one whole axle, we remind you, and we're about to we put that back on after we took this one off. So it's good on battery life. It's 1 battery. All right, so we're at the end of the night. We're already closed up. Here is, it's on number 2. So letting you know, guys, if you're working on a truck such as this and you got 2 axles to do front side, this is this battery right here will get you there. So don't worry, there you go. I'm pretty sure it would have got me if I had to do that axle. I'm pretty sure it would have. But so if you're gonna do 3 axles, I would say this battery was full charge when I started, by the way, too. So like I said, you would just carry an extra battery for just in case reasons. I wouldn't say you have to go expensive and buy the 12.0. I might just actually buy me another 6.0 instead of a 12, or I might just buy me a 12 so I have a 12 and I have a 6. But other than that, awesome gun, lightweight, it's easy to store.